Right then, another day, another HEMA, and I've bumped into this person here.
Good morning, Chris, M0RSF.
He's joined me on this one. Not quite a joint activation, but I've got two radios. I've got the 857, I've got the FT60, and I'm going to do something special with it today. So let's get some activations in. There we go. Hotly Chevin. A lovely view over there, and just told that Lindley Moor is over there. Won't be doing that one today, but I know on another visit possibly. But, right, let's get to the higher right. So I'm going to try and something different. It's the FT60, and I've got two RH770 Whips, like a dipole thing. This might not work, but anything's worth a go. So let's see what we can get. Chris has just sent a message to one of his friends, so I'm on 575, so ignore test of the, don't know what we'll call it, double dipole, whichever. This is 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ HEMA, CQ HEMA, CQ HEMA, CQ humps excluding Manners Award. This is 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ HEMA, standing by call. I'll go to calling channel and bring everyone up. Hello CQ, this is 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ for HEMA, humps excluding Manners Award on the Chevin. 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ. CQ HEMA, CQ humps excluding Manners Award, CQ humps excluding Manners Award. This is 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ HEMA, CQ. Mike 0, Alpha Lima Alpha, thanks for coming back to my call. Should we go to 575? Just checking this frequency is still clear, please. This is 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Okay, I've got two stations. Okay, Mike 0, Alpha Lima Alpha, good morning to you. My name is Dom Delta Oscar Mike, and I'm on the Chevin, otherwise known as Otley Chevin, and I'll give you a signal report on your next over. Mike 0, Alpha Lima Alpha, from 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Okay, yeah, cheers out on Andy. You are also 509 plus, using a Yaesu FT60 handheld, and I've got a T-piece connector, and even is a Diamond RH770 Telescopic Whip. Came up with this last week, and this is the first test of it. There, go ahead.
It's definitely doing the job anyway. I've worked a few people for Otley Chevin, and you're definitely up in the top 5 signal strength, so you're doing very well.
Alright, cheers that one, Andy. Yeah, I've come up with another friend here, Chris M0RSF. I've gathered you've spoken with him a few times.
Mr. Cole, say again.
M0RSF, Chris, he's also with me.
No, Chris, yes, yeah, very good. It's a good day anyway. I don't know how windy actually is. It looks pretty calm here, but it sounds a bit windy on your microphone. I hope it's not too bad for you guys.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm having to hold the radio on the horizontal because the whips are vertical, and I keep smacking my head into the side of one of them. But yeah, it's great to get you in the log today, Andy. I'll leave it for you now for a moment. There is another station, Chevin G1FYS on the frequency as well. Just pass it over to you for a quick final, Andy, and really good to get you in the log today.
Well, all the best to Chris as well, and we'll listen out for you again. Don't forget all your contacts. 2E0KIO, portable, I've got a call, right? M0ALI.
Yeah, cheers, Andy. Yeah, call sign correct. Golf 1 Foxtrot Yankee Sierra from 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar portable.
Yes, okay, this is Golf 1 Fox Yankee Sierra. Very good morning, name is Chevin. You changed 1 mile south of Huddersfield. You dropped down with me. I don't know whether you've altered position or what, but you were quite a strong signal when I first heard you call. And you were about 5x7. Unfortunately, down now to about 5x2. I don't know. No doubt
It works.
what the difference is from earlier. Anyhow, I'll pass it back, I'll do what the name is and find out with Chevy. G1FYS, over.
G1FYS 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar portable. Yeah, I turned me back to I was talking to Andy, but yeah, you were about 5 and 9 with me, 5.959 QSL.
QSL was 5 and 9, thanks very much. At this moment you're 5x6 at 5x6, over. On the side of it.
Yeah, I'll take the 5 and 6. Don't know if you heard what I was saying to Andy. Yaesu FT60, and I've got a T-piece on it with 2 RH770 Telescopic Whips, and it seems to be working perfectly there. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay, we'll stay on the side as well. This is G1FYS. Yeah, well, you seem to be doing very, very well at the moment. No problems whatsoever. I'm using a 991 Alpha Yaesu, and I'm feeding that into on the VHF site. I've got a Diamond Z7000, a Diamond Z7000. It's about 27 foot long. It's quite a beast. Well, so we're at another station on site. Would you like to go Paul? G1FYS, over. Thank you very much, Kevin. Very good morning, G1FYS. Thanks for letting me have a go. Just 5 watts here, just 5 watts for the portable station. 2E0 Kilo India Oscar. I wonder if you can copy Mike 0 Alpha India Alpha. Mike 0 Alpha India Alpha, over.
Okay, Mike 0 Alpha India Alpha. Bit quiet. I'll move around to try and get you a bit louder, but at the moment you're about 5 and 5, 55, over.
Yeah, you keep coming up and down with me, keep changing you. 5 and 2 as you handed it back there, but 5 and 3 on the peak, 53. Very pleased to work here, running the little 705 on 5 watts, 5 watts QSL.
Yeah, QSL there, Paul. It's great to get you in the log. Currently on Otley Chevin. It's a HEMA Summit Golf Stroke Hotel November Papa 027. First time I've been up here, and I've met up with Chris M0RSF, who looks like he's going to have a wander and speak to some Westies. He's giving me the thumbs up as well. Mike 0 Alpha India Alpha from 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar portable. Yeah, no worries. Name is Dom. Delta Oscar Mike. QSL.
Yeah, was it Don?
Delta Oscar Mike. Short for Dominic. Name is Dom. Short for Dominic.
Yeah, fantastic, Dominic. Just say, I'll just hand you over and just say bye-bye to Kevin there. Kevin has to go, so I'll just hand back to Kevin very briefly. Yeah, thanks, problem. You were up and down with me as well. You were about 5 and 7. And I think you were at the highest, and then you were about 5 and 2.
That was Otley Chevin for HEMA. HEMA North Pennine 027. Chris had already activated the Chevin loads of times, so it was good to meet up with Chris. So what setup was I using? Well, the FT60, a little T connector, that was in that bag of random components I got a few months ago. And the RH770 Telescopic Whip. Now usually I only use one of these. I don't think the camera's zoomed out enough, but it is. It's quite large. It's half wave on 2 meters and 5/8 over 5/8 on 77, something daft like that. When I first got this, I ordered it off Radio World, and they rung back not long after saying, "We've not got it in stock, do you want a refund or just send it when it's ready?" And I said, fair enough. And then I found one on, I think it was Moonraker, and they sent it straight away. And this was for a holiday quite a few years ago anyway. Both turned up at the same time. And as soon as I got the T connector, I thought, well, I wonder if it will work. Have it on, have it that way, extend both. I wasn't sure it was going to work or not, but as you've just seen in the video, it works quite well. Now the contacts I got, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them fairly localish, and I think if I was any higher up I probably would have got more. Now I am thinking if that works on FM, I might get the 857 out, get somewhere mounting it and have it on the horizontal. But proof of concept, it worked, and some good signal reports off it. I think the only bad thing about it is I'm going to have to try and find the handheld, the fist mic, because keep going like that, I'm going to end up headbutting that, and it does swing a bit. So it's like I'm thinking of doing that whilst trying to log contacts, but I'm not fussing that, and I'm calling that a win. Otley Chevin is one of the easiest HEMAs you can get to. You just surprise view car park, up a bit of a path and along a bit to where those the boulders were, and there we go, we've had it. I'll link everything down below. Chris's YouTube channel, the HEMA website. It's a good amateur radio program. Well, I've expanded it quite a bit since I last did a video about it all those years ago. So we're not just UK based now. We've got quite a bit of Europe now. We're getting some in Australia, some in Canada as well. So there's plenty to have a look at. Anyway, if want to give this thing a go, to our H770 Whips, little T connector, and also the adapter for the Zoom. That is no strain on that at all the strain is taken up by the T piece. So yeah, why not give it a go? It works for me, so it'll work for you. Until next time, and I realise this camera's been on the cock, but never mind. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.